Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support us with a like or comment so we can grow and continue to present needed information to you and others. In part 2 of our guide on replacing your car's door lock actuator, we'll cover the installation of the new actuator and the reassembly process. If you followed along in part 1, you're ready to finish the job. Let's get right into it. Choosing the right replacement actuator. So, you're on the hunt for the perfect replacement actuator for your car's door lock. Let's break down the essential factors you need to consider before making your choice. Compatibility is key. First things first, compatibility is crucial. Ensure the replacement actuator is specifically designed for your vehicle's make and model. Check the manufacturer's specifications to guarantee a perfect fit. A wrong fit could result in malfunction or even damage to your door lock system. Quality matters. When it comes to replacement actuators, quality should be a top priority. Opt for actuators made from durable materials that can withstand daily wear and tear. Look for products with positive customer reviews and high ratings for reliability. Remember, a high-quality replacement part can save you from future headaches and additional costs. Warranty for peace of mind. Consider replacement actuators that come with a warranty. A warranty not only indicates the manufacturer's confidence in their product but also provides you with peace of mind. In case of any issues or malfunctions, a warranty ensures that you can get a replacement or repair at no extra cost. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about which replacement actuator to choose, don't hesitate to seek advice from a professional. A mechanic or auto parts specialist can guide you based on their expertise and experience. They can help you navigate through the options available and find the best fit for your car. Online research and comparison. Take advantage of online resources to research and compare different replacement actuators. Explore various brands, features, and prices to make an informed decision. Look for forums or reviews from car enthusiasts who have experience with the products you're considering. This way, you can gather valuable insights before making your purchase. Choosing the right replacement actuator for your car door lock requires careful consideration of compatibility, quality, warranties, and expert advice. By taking the time to evaluate these factors, you can ensure a smooth and successful replacement process, keeping your vehicle's security in top-notch condition. Replacement procedure. After ensuring you have the necessary tools and a safe working environment, you are ready to begin the replacement process for your car door lock actuator. Below, you'll find a detailed outline to guide you through the procedure. Preparation. Preparation is key to a successful door lock actuator replacement. Start by gathering the tools you'll need, such as screwdrivers, pliers, and a trim removal tool. Additionally, make sure to park your vehicle on a flat surface and disconnect the car battery for safety reasons. Having a clean work area and following any specific instructions from your car's manual will help streamline the process. Installation steps. 1. Remove the door panel. Begin by carefully removing the door panel using a trim removal tool to access the inner workings of the door. Take your time to avoid damaging the panel or the clips securing it. 2. Locate the actuator. Once the door panel is off, locate the door lock actuator within the door frame. It is usually attached to the door latch assembly and connected to the locking mechanism. 3. Disconnect electrical connections. Before proceeding, disconnect the electrical connections to the actuator to ensure a safe working environment. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical mishaps during the replacement process. 4. Remove the old actuator. Unscrew the bolts holding the old door lock actuator in place. Carefully detach it from the door and disconnect any remaining components. 5. Install the new actuator. Align the new door lock actuator in the correct position and reattach any bolts or screws to secure it in place. Follow the specific instructions provided with the replacement part. 6. Reconnect electrical connections. Once the new actuator is securely installed, reconnect the electrical connections to restore power to the door lock system. 7. Test the door lock. Before reassembling the door panel, test the door lock to ensure that the new actuator is functioning correctly. This step will help identify any issues before finalizing the installation. 8. Reassemble the door panel. Carefully reattach the door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely fastened. Take your time to align the panel correctly and avoid any damage during reinstallation. By following these clear and actionable steps, you can efficiently replace the door lock actuator in your car and restore proper functionality to your door lock system. Remember to prioritize safety and attention to detail throughout the process for optimal results. Testing and troubleshooting. After successfully replacing the car door lock actuator, it's crucial to conduct thorough testing to ensure everything functions as it should. Let's dive into the steps to test the newly installed door lock actuator and troubleshoot common issues that may arise after replacement. Testing the door lock actuator. Power test. Confirm that the power source to the actuator is functioning correctly. Use a multimeter to check for power flow. Manual operation. Try manually locking and unlocking the door to see if the actuator responds accordingly. Remote key test. Test the door lock actuator's response to the remote key fob. Ensure it locks and unlocks as expected. Troubleshooting post-replacement issues. Weak locking, unlocking. If the actuator seems sluggish, check for any obstructions in the door mechanism or lubrication issues. Inconsistent response. Verify the wiring connections to rule out any loose or faulty connections that may disrupt the actuator's function. Noise concerns. Unusual noises could indicate misalignment or internal damage. Inspect the actuator for any visible signs of wear or misalignment. Remote key failure. If the actuator does not respond to the remote key, consider reprogramming the key fob or checking for signal interference. Follow these testing procedures and troubleshooting tips to ensure your car door lock actuator replacement is successful and your vehicle's security is restored to optimal functionality. Replacing your car door lock actuator is essential for keeping your vehicle secure. We've covered the symptoms of a failing actuator, the steps for replacing it, and the benefits of taking action quickly. Don't wait for a minor issue to become a major problem. A faulty door lock actuator compromises your car's security and convenience. Address any problems as soon as they arise. Stay proactive with your vehicle maintenance. Regularly check your door locks and replace the actuator if needed. This ensures your car stays safe and secure, giving you peace of mind. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.